One of the biggest topics that's ongoing right now across the nation is dealing with short sales or foreclosed properties. A keen eye on these types of transactions, because they're so involved and complex, could help somebody out, whether you're selling and your home is underwater as far as the mortgage and the property value is concerned, or whether you're purchasing a short sale. Knowing that this type of transaction doesn't occur on a normal basis, it does help having an experienced attorney on hand. Certainly with a short sale where the property values have plummeted so much, where the mortgage outweighs the actual value of the property, it's a difficult and complex process, but can be simple. There's a lender on hand that's negotiating with the current seller, trying to negotiate a good deal for the purchaser where everybody wins. The bank is going to get something out of the sale, the seller is able to walk away from the property, and the purchaser hopefully ends up with a nice property, and everybody can go to the closing table. The biggest thing is tempering your expectations and understanding that it is going to take some time to go from the initial contract negotiation with the seller all the way through to the closing. A typical closing can be 30 to 45 days, but with a foreclosure or a short selling property, that can take upwards of 90 days and even longer, depending upon where in the process the actual seller is. If it's representing the seller, the attorney can work with the bank, making sure that all the obligations of the bank are taken care of, all the obligations of the seller are taken care of, including updating the title report, making sure judgments and liens that are out there can be taken care of before you get to the closing table. Those are some things that you need to be on the lookout for that don't come up in the typical closing process. Give our team a call here at Tully Rinckey, working from contract to close with an experienced real estate team behind you. That's going to go a long way in making the transaction as smooth as possible.